I am Nirav Shah and I am the owner of the FUROR Speciality Lubricants. FUROR Speciality Lubricants is a ISO 9001 and 14001 certified company. We are a manufacturer of FUROR brands of specialty industrial lubricants, and it was established in 2022. Our plant is near Mehsana highway, and our register office here in Ahmedabad, Katwada. Mainly, we are manufacturing specialty industrial lubricants. Like we have a series of metal working fluids, like cutting oils, rust preventive oils, heat treatment oils. We have also metal forming oils, stamping oils, blanking oils, and deep drawing oils. Our main specialty is in wire drawing oils for metals like copper, aluminium, and MS wire drawing. And we have good products for the glass industries also, glass grinding fluid and glass cutting oils. We have very much special product for submersible pump industry, that is surface protector from water coolant. And these products are very unique in nature for providing a cost-effective solution to customers. Every product, different products have different unique natures. So it provides a cost-effective solution when it is applied. Our focus is not on the price, but our focus is on providing the cost-effective solution to the customers. Whatever it is, higher price or lower price, that doesn't matter for us. But we always focus on the quality, and our products have unique features. So every product has different unique features. So it provides very good life, quality life, and that's why our product is unique in nature compared to other products in the market. Recently, we have launched especially synthetic screw compressor oil, which is giving very good result in terms of its running time. And we have launched this product against one German product. So it is giving very good result, and our price is very much low compared to our competitor product. Our products are manufactured. It comes out from our plant near Mehsana, and it is having all adequate and modern machineries. And to process our raw materials, we have very well equipped testing laboratory for rigorous checking of the quality of the raw material as well as our finished products. And we always use virgin base oil with addition of our quality premium additives for giving good quality performance of lubricants. And to satisfy, our main motto is to satisfy our customers with quality lubricants.